Managing your vendor list in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to add a vendor, verify their address, set what they supply, and keep every purchase order routing to the right contact. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing Vendors from your dashboard. This is your vendors page, your address book for everyone you buy from. Each row shows a vendor's name, what they supply, and their main contact. To add a new one, click Add Vendor and fill in the company name, contact person, phone, and email. As you type the address, I check it against USPS records and confirm it's a valid, deliverable address, so your purchase orders and mailed checks land in the right place. Set what this vendor supplies, ingredients, packaging, or services, so they show up correctly when you're creating purchase orders or procurement drafts. To update an existing vendor, click their name to open the profile, edit contact details, add contacts, or update the address, then click Save. Keep this list accurate and your purchase orders always route to the right vendor with a verified address without you double-checking every time.